Okay, now we're at 3559 North Barron Circle. This one's only $324.9. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1571 square feet. So you kind of like the others, you walk in to the entryway and there is, I think this is the same floor plan as the first one, it's just vacant.
Yeah, it is.
Because yeah, it has the bathroom and the bedroom. It doesn't have the bay window, but it does have shutters. Its carpet is just okay. It's livable, but it might be something you want to replace down the road. The cabinets are builder grade, but they can be painted and probably look decent. Needs some fixture updates, but for the price, it'd be a good buy. And you can make it your own. Here's the same bedroom that we saw in the first home. Again, the fans are a little dated, but it does have the nice big shutters and big windows. Looks like there's a little rip in the screen. Here's the great room area. It is carpeted. It doesn't have tile like the first one on, what was it called?
Boulder Canyon.
Boulder Canyon, yeah. It does have a nice backyard. You can put your pool in over here where there's just a bunch of rock right now. Bit of a side yard. Got a fire pit. Looks like it's just fire, it doesn't have gas. Wood burning. Definitely some kids next door. Patio door, it's a little hard to push. It probably needs some new rollers underneath it. This one has black appliances and no refrigerator. But it does have that nice pantry and again the oak cabinets and laminate countertops. But there's not very much counter space, so it would be pretty reasonable to replace that. does have a programmable thermostat. Couldn't think of the word. Light's too dark, but it does have a 2-car garage with a man door out to the side yard, and it does have a utility sink. And then the master bedroom. Again, it's carpeted with some carpet that could use some updating, but it's livable. It does have carpeting in the bathroom. I don't know about you, but for me, that's a deal breaker. It's not a deal breaker, but that would be gone. So they obviously haven't done any updates to this one. It's all the original. Is that just dirty?
What is it?
So is that just dirty?
No idea.
Looks like it's probably just dust up there. Oh, I didn't want you to film it, but
Hey, it's the house.
yeah. So now you know with a little effort what this one can look like, because we've seen the one on Boulder Canyon. So depending on the price, I'm not sure which one's a better buy.